Hey guys, it's Danny, and today I am sharing 5 very simple, very delicious snack pack ideas with you. Now, each of these is designed to be a very convenient on-the-go snack, or it can also be a mini meal depending on how you like to eat. So let's just jump right in. The first 2 are my sweet boxes, and then I'm gonna follow them up with some savory boxes. So let's get started with the breakfast box. So for this box, I love to whip up some of my homemade high protein pumpkin pancakes. You can of course use any type of pancake you like here, but guys, pancakes are a great on the go snack because they really are delicious, hot, cold, or at room temperature. So I start by stacking a few of those into my box. Then I add in some fresh berries. Today I'm using some beautiful raspberries. And I love these little pre-measured out peanut butter packs. They're super convenient. They're easy to take with you on the go. And I love spreading peanut butter on top of a pancake. It is so delicious. And plus it adds a little bit of extra fat and protein, which I find helps to keep me full for a really long time.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Next up, I have my yogurt PARFAIT box. Now this box is very fun and it's especially kid friendly, and I'm gonna show you why. So what I do is I start off with some organic plain Greek yogurt, and you could either do a 2% or a full fat, and then I like to top that with some pumpkin seeds and a few dashes of cinnamon. Then on the side I have some chopped up strawberries, and in the back I have a chopped up RX bar. Now you guys know how much I love the RX bars. They are all natural, bar on the go. They are made up of very simple ingredients. As a matter of fact, you can just read the front of the packaging. It tells you exactly what's inside. Today I'm using the mixed berry flavor, and it's 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, and 2 dates. I love that these bars have no gluten, no dairy, no added sugar, no additives, no preservatives, etc., etc. It's a very clean option when you're looking for a convenient on-the-go bar. And they have been kind enough to offer anybody in the clean and delicious community 25% off your first purchase. So if you want to give them a try, all you have to do is go to rxbar.com/clean, and then when you check out, use code CLEAN to get that discount. And I will leave all that information for you guys down in the description box below. But what I love is to either take the strawberries and the bar, put it right over the yogurt, and then just eat it like a big old sundae, or you take your little RX squares and you just dip them right in the yogurt. So it's kind of like a chip and dip, right? Then you've got the berry flavor from the bar. It's chewy, it's got a little crunch from the nut, and that creamy yogurt. It is a match made in heaven. I am a big fan, and my kids love this box as well. Okay, so for box number 3, and FYI, 3, 4, and 5 are gonna be a little more savory. I've got my cheese and cracker box. It's a classic, right? So I start off with some carrots that I've peeled and cut into nice chunky strips, and then I add a couple bunches of green grapes and a few crackers in the back here. I like to use some type of nut and seed crackers, so there's a lot of texture in there. And then finally, I have a little bit of grass-fed cheddar cheese. It is the perfect snack box in my opinion because you have your fruit, your veggies, a little cheese, and a cracker. It's just a classic, and you cannot go wrong. Fast, easy, convenient, and delicious. Okay, box number 4 is what I like to call the party box. Now, it might not look like a party to you, but to me, anything with popcorn kind of signifies a party. So we're going with party box. Okay, so for this one, what I start off with is some good old-fashioned ants on a log. I love this combo. You just take some celery, spread in your favorite nut butter, and then top it with some raisins or any type of dry fruit that you enjoy. And then I cut up some fresh apples. This one's a Honey Crisp. I love a Honey Crisp apple. They are very popular these days. They're also pretty pricey, but I'd give them a try if you can find them. And then in the back, I've got my popcorn. For me, this combo kind of feels like a party in the box. I don't know, but it's one of my personal favorites, and I want you to give me a big thumbs up if you think this one's at the top of your list so far. And for our 5th and final box, this one is very simple and straightforward. It's a veggie and hummus box. I always say this about salad. I feel the same way about vegetables. I'm usually very willing to eat them. I'm just not always willing to prepare them. So having something like this on hand, ready to go, just makes it a whole lot more likely. And it really is delicious. So I start off with my favorite hummus, which changes with the day. Right now, I'm really enjoying this black bean hummus. And then I have those mini peppers that I've sliced into quarters on the side. some marinated green olives, which I really find olives are so delicious and they really hold you over because they have a nice balance of protein and fat. And then over here, I just have some sliced up cucumbers. So what I like to do with this box is I'll just take my cucumbers and my peppers and just dip them right in the hummus, pop a couple olives, and you're ready to go.
Delish.
So now I'm so curious to hear from you guys. Of all those 5 boxes, which one do you think you will try first and why? Come on down to the comments below and please let me know. And when you try these boxes, be sure you snap a picture and then tag me on Instagram and on Facebook so I can see all the clean and deliciousness you're whipping up in your very own kitchens. And my dear friend, if you have not already, would you please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone else you know who wants to make healthy eating easy. And do not forget to go down to the description box if you want to give those RX bars a try. Anybody who's making their first purchase will save 25% off by going to rxbar.com/clean and then using the promo code CLEAN at checkout. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Danny Spies and I will see you back here next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers. Let's go. You'll be okay. Go. If you do that, he thinks you're going to play with him. You really don't understand the dog.
Go, go.
Oh, we on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I don't know about you, but I just sometimes... Oh, Charlie.